Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can exit the virtual portfolio mode in Etoro. Now for those who really don't know Etoro much, the virtual portfolio mode is basically a mode where you can trade with virtual money. The platform occasionally will give you some kind of virtual money that is not real. Normally it should be around $100,000 or $100,000, and basically, you would be using this money to test your skills, to see if you are good enough to actually risk it and start using your own capital so you can invest in those kind of platforms. Now, how can we exit the virtual portfolio mode once we are ready to start working on our own portfolio and our own real uh, assets? So simply go to login, and here I'm going to use my account. So sign in with Gmail. I'm going to use my Gmail account that I have created my account with. And I'm going to first thing go ahead and switch to virtual mode, as you'll be seeing right here. So as you can see now, I am in the virtual mode. And if in case I want to portfolio, you will find that I have 100k dollars in cash available. So what I need to do to actually switch back to my real portfolio is to simply, in case this was closed, is go ahead and open it and then go all the way down in here. Switch to real, which is gonna be changing you from this virtual profile into the real profile. And as you will notice, this 100k will be zero. So let me just click on it, go to real portfolio, and this is the real cash that I have. Now to deposit funds, you can simply just click here, and then you will have a lot of funds here, depending on how much money you invest. And then you can go to discover or watch list and simply invest in the money and the markets and the whatever stuff you want to invest in. As you can see here, so you can click and buy and sell, etc. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.